my channel RJ Trades. So this is RJ Trades, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today's topic, I'm gonna go over NNDM. So NNDM, kind of there's a lot of traction going on in NNDM, and kind of go through the chart and also go through what's probably going on. And is NNDM the next PLTR or JMIA in their tens, right? PLTR literally went from $10 to almost 30, like 3x. And if you look at PLTR, I think 3 bags, and if you look at GMI, almost went to 40, 45. I don't know where it is right now, but somewhere around that. So it could be the next one. And kind of, if you look at the chart, NNBM actually was really high, almost 50 or 60, $70 at one point. If you look at the chart, okay, yeah, we are really, like, if you look the bigger picture, you can probably see like, oh, this is a dying stock, and which kind of this is their all-time, oh wow, so this is their all-time high, right? So literally they seems like they IPO'd with almost 90-95 and has been slowly dying down. But look at that, I think once in 2018 2019, that's when it created that base, like kind of consolidating. That was leather, absolutely, like almost a yeah, almost $1. So pretty much it was a penny stock. But one thing, if you notice, like the volume was not there at all. Before that, there's volume was really tiny. And if you look at let's say 1 year chart, if you look at 1 year chart, yeah, if you look at 1 year chart, let's go to 5 years maybe. Yeah, if you look at this, yeah, clearly in downtrend, and clearly, like, definitely don't want to touch it from the technical standpoint. But look at that, it kind of created a nice base around the 30-40 cents, almost a penny, and there was no traction, like there was no volume in anything. And I think in July something happened, I'm not sure, I did not check July. You can see that really the volume picked up right around May, right? It's a huge volume, like how much? That's like yeah, that's a huge volume, like almost 2 or 3 times. I don't know if it's gonna show me volume, sometime it does. So 30.9 million on that day, and other day, if you look at that, like it's like, oh no, it was 566 million. So not sure what was the news, but if you look at the other day, it's like 15, 16, 5 million, but that's 500, almost a half a billion. That's a huge volume. That's when you can see that the volume kind of before that it was just few thousand, 100,000, 200,000, but that's when it kind of started trading in millions. That's when you probably want to get in. Otherwise, it's liquidity, could be anything, a lot of market manipulation could happen. And but look at that, after that it literally started kind of volume kind of sideways. And on the same time, if you look at RQ Invest, RQ from Kathy, she started adding, I think it was in October, November. But look at that, right now in their ARC autonomous technology and robotics, like Nano Dimension is almost at number 16 with 5 million shares, valued at about $52 million as of right now. It's a 2.36% of her portfolio, which is pretty significant if you ask me, right? Pretty high, pretty significant. So pretty significant in NNDM. So a lot of institution coming in, and you can see that, like especially if you look at September, October, that's when the real action started happening. Even if you look at the top of that previous high, and it kind of popped up, then back down, and that's when it started the real pump, right around 2:30. I did not grab it, I should have grabbed it, but I got it like day before yesterday at 8 something, 850 or something, grab some leaps. But I also added some shares as well. So I have leaps and shares. Leap, a lot of people ask me what leaps to go. Look for the volume and liquidity, whatever good looks. I think I have the most experience were like this year only, I think this year and next year only. So I got the whatever the last one available. So yeah, but look at that, now you can see it's clearly an uptrend. This is weekly, clearly an uptrend on the weekly, kind of holding that line. And also if you look at that, this is like 150-day 150-day, just right above the 150-day. And RS has been increasing. It was almost bottomed out around April, May, but ever since that it has kind of made a nice bumped up. So this is really looking great. And if you look at the daily chart, look at that, from that base right around, and it just started bump up, kind of up, pull back, and from there ever since, like nice going up in a trend line. So this could potentially be the next next 1 to 2 bagger. It's still at a billion market cap. And also if you look at the industry, this is in 3D printing, and a lot of money is flowing into 3D. And the most important part is they print like not ordinary things, but they print basically a circuit board, like whatever, like sensors, antennas, whatever you need for your mobile phone or your automobiles or whatever, those kind of tech gadgets. I think this huge 21st century will be all about those tech. It will be huge. And if with 3D printing they can literally cut down a lot of their, like they can do it really fast. And think about it, like you don't even need to do transportation. So you design your chip, let's say in China, send the CAD model or whatever they use, and literally you don't need to worry about shipping. Just ship the printer once and you can literally print in US or wherever it is, right? There's no human involved or whatnot. So it could be a huge breakthrough. And you can use 3D parts in pretty much anything. And with the tech, like more and more people will be using all these electronic gadgets and whatnot, so it would be huge. So I think something is bringing up. That's why you can see the views volume kind of going up. A lot of, seems like there's a lot of institutional accumulation. So yeah, what do you think about this? Comment below if you have question or comment. Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you.